I will never sneeze the same way after learning this. And you won't either. So can you actually sneeze with your eyes open? Turns out it's a myth. When you sneeze, your body automatically forces your eyes shut. But why? It's all thanks to a reflex from our brain called the sneeze reflex. Here's the deal. Sneezing is like a mini explosion in your nose. Your brain sends a signal to close those peepers to protect them from flying mucus and debris. Gross, but true. So next time you sneeze, don't fight it. Let your body do its thing and keep those eyes safe. Myth busted. And hey, bless you. Remember, sneezes are just another way our body shows how cool it is. Stay curious.